everyone, welcome to African Nut Food. I hope everybody is well and everybody is doing Christmas shopping and all that. Today I have something special for you guys as the party is approaching and the holidays are approaching. So now we are making chin chin for special occasion. So what we have flour here. We have 500 grams of flour. We have margarine here, or you can use butter. You have water, cold water, 1 cup of water. We have onion, red onion, 2 red onion, and we have garlic here, and then we have black pepper, salt, nutmeg, and our small blender here to blend our mixture. So let's go ahead and start it. So in my small blender I have chopped the onion and the garlic. I'm going to add this water into it. There, that's it. And then my salt, and blend them together. So now our onion is blended. So now here in my flour I'm going to add the nutmeg and black pepper together, and also I'm gonna add the margarine. So like I said earlier, you can use butter, yeah. So I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of margarine into the flour. 3. So now I have added the margarine, so I'm going to mix them together now. My hands are washed. Yeah, always wash your hands. I'm going to mix them together. Yeah, so now we have mixed the flour and the butter. Now it's all done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add our onion mixed and the garlic here. So what you do, you make a hole in the middle there, and then you gradually put the onion, that's it, bit by bit, and then you mix them together. So, yes. Okay. Yeah. So in this mixture I have not added any baking powder or baking soda, and I'm using plain flour, yeah, because I know some people use baking powder and baking soda, but I don't like all these things. I'm doing it normal, natural. So I'm adding the rest of the onion here and mix it. Now I also use red onion. I have tried both onions, the white one and the red one. The red one gives nice taste. The taste is different compared to the white one, and I really like that one. It's strong as well. It's really nice. So yeah, until I'm mixing them together, making a dough. It's coming to a dough. At this point, if you find it too hard, you can add a bit of water into it. But I think for me it's alright. Not too much water because it will be too, how do you call it? How do you say it, Jade? It will be too what?
Soft.
Yeah, it's too soft. So you don't need it too soft. It's in between, you have to be in between. My dough, that's done. I have divided them into 4. So I'm going to do them one by one. So I'm going to leave them here on the side. Yeah. And then I'll start with the first one. So what I'm doing, I'm adding a bit of flour into my board so it won't stick on the board, and a bit on the roll as well. So I'm going to roll this like that. Okay. You want them thin as possible, not too thick. It has to be thin. Some people like them, you know, thick, but I like it thin. So I'm cutting them into the shape that I like. So I draw my knife through the dough like that, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to use my scissors, and there's a knife as well. For the knife one, it takes too long, so it goes like that. Yeah, thin as possible, because it will, once it go inside the oil, it will become a bit puffy. So cut it small. If you want it small, fine. If you don't want it small, cut it the way you wish. That's the knife one. I'm going to do first one for the knife, and then I'll show you the way I do it for scissors. So now I'm using the scissors. So I'll do this, yeah, like you're cutting a fabric or something, anything that thin as possible, not too big. That's it. And I think with the scissors it goes quicker than the knife. The knife takes forever. The scissors, I prefer doing it with the scissors. It's better. It helps me though. It goes quicker. And the knives take ages. It takes forever. And you don't want to stack the whole day doing this. And it's a party one, so we're doing a lot. We're doing the first one. This is the first one that I'm showing you guys, but I'm doing about a kilo. I did 500, but I'm doing a kilo. So I'll just show you this one. You see, it won't take long. You see how it goes quick. The scissors is so sharp. Yeah. At the same time, please be careful when you're cutting anything with scissors or knife. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you when we finish. So now we're going to fry this. So here we have oil. We have sunflower oil, but you can use vegetable oil as well. So this is the first one. I'm going to put it in oil and fry. So you leave it for not too long, about 2 to 3 minutes, yeah, and it'll be ready, or even less than that. Yeah, but not on the high heat. Make sure your oil is not too, your fire is not, your stove is not too high. So you leave it, see, already you can see how it looks. So I'll just leave it for about 2 minutes, and then I'll take it out. We left it for about 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, and look at how it looks. Beautiful. If you leave it too long, it will be very, very crispy and not tasteless, really. But this side, it's all right. Yeah. This is how I like it, though. And so this is very, it's all right. It's okay. So I show you the rest, yeah. Show you how the rest look like after finish. So this is our chin. It's all done now. Yeah. So these, you can use this for your party. When your guests are here, you can add a little bit in the bowl and add a bit of peanuts in it, and then you can serve them with a little bit of small wine going on, and any soft drink as well, and that's it. So this is how our chin chips look like. So hope that you join cooking with us today, and hope to see you again. See you soon, and have a nice holiday, and see you soon. Bye.